It's the big Mahabharat over India's top film school, the Film and Television Institute of India in Pune. The big fight over what students see as a political appointee, Gajendra Chauhan, who famously played Yudhishthir in Mahabharat, being the next chairman of the institution. But now big celebrities from Bollywood, including people like Ranbir Kapoor, have now put their shoulder to the wheel and joined students in their fight against what they see as a political imposition. Take a look.
It's been 28 days since the Students' Association of FTII went on a strike protesting against the appointment of Gajendra Chauhan as the chairman of the Film and Television Institute of India. Despite their meeting with the finance minister in the capital, the students and alumni delegation led by Oscar winner Rachel Pukutti could not resolve the deadlock. However, the students have managed to garner enough star power to back their protest. Bollywood's most influential and mainstream actor Ranbir Kapoor has come forward and extended his support to the student body.
It's only fair that the students, that they deserve a fair hearing of what they want. I think all they require is an aspirational figure to look up to, somebody with a large body of work, not a large body of work, but with a body of work which they can aspire or they can be inspired from.
Earlier, filmmakers Kiran Rao and Rajat Kapoor had participated in a protest march held on Carter Road in Mumbai on 2nd July, showing their support to the students' protests. Actress Kalki Koechlin has also joined the list of Bollywood celebrities, showing their support for the cause.
I think it's really important that the Ministry of IMB works towards giving it autonomy, institutional autonomy, so that FTII can continue to be an artistic and cultural neutral body which is unperturbed by all the changes in government at large.
Meanwhile, the former alumnus of FTII and actor Shatrughan Sinha has expressed that he would be happy to act as a mediator between the government and the protesting students.
शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा जी भले इंटरिम आ जाएं यहाँ पे और इंटरिम आके अगर ज्वाइन कर लें, जब तक सेलेक्ट कमेटी, सर्च कमेटी और लोग को ढूंढे, तब तक शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा अगर बन जाए, हमने कहा शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा बन जाए, सुभाष घई बन जाए, जो बन जाए, लेकिन उसके पहले स्मूथ सेलिंग होनी चाहिए.
However, former chairperson of FTII, Shyam Benegal, did not echo the thoughts of his industry colleagues.
Whatever problems that the students have, they shouldn't actually just decide to go on strike, because ultimately he is not going to be teaching them. He is not going to be in interface with them as a teacher with the students.
With more voices from the film industry joining the students in their protest, it looks like they are not the lone warriors in their fight to maintain the autonomy and neutrality of India's finest and premier film institute. With Pankaj Kelkar in Pune, Shilpa Ratnam in Mumbai, this is Lassi Priyasundaram for India Today.
And the FTII Mahabharat has had many big celebrities, people like Ranbir Kapoor, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, joining the fight against Gajendra Chauhan's appointment as chairman of the Film and Television Institute of India. But today, it was a really big celebrity who actually jumped into the fray. It's none other than Anupam Kher. He joins us live this evening from Chandigarh. Mr. Kher, thank you very much for joining us. He's going to be with us. The first question that I want to ask you, Mr. Kher, is this. Why do you think or not think that Gajendra Chauhan is qualified enough for this job?
Well, not in that harsh a tone as you have said it. I feel that yes, certainly a Film Institute of India needs a more qualified person who has a much more greater body of work, and Gajendra unfortunately does not have it. And because it's a national institute, so we need to have somebody who know about world cinema, who can represent the country if anybody can talk about it. I don't want to pass a judgment on him as a person, but when it comes to the chairmanship of Film and Television Institute of India, it's important to have somebody who either practically has done something which is of importance, or has written books about or something like that, and unfortunately he does not fit the bill.
In that case, Mr. Kher, do you have someone in mind, since you believe that, Gajendra Chauhan is not qualified enough? Do you have anybody in particular in your mind who you think would be better suited for this job? There have been names doing the rounds, people like Gulzar, Girish Karnad and others.
Well, I personally feel anybody in an independent country has a right to do what they want to do, whether Gajendra has done Mahabharat or whether he has done other kinds of cinema. I think that's his choice. But when it comes to the appointment of a person, you need to have somebody who has a bit of a better body of work, as I said.
Yeah.
But I'm not qualified to tell you who should be the person instead of him, because I think there are a lot of other eminent people who can, there can be a committee of people who can be, which can be formulated, and they can choose it.
You know, one of the things that you've, you know, said, Mr. Kher, is that, you know, the person who heads the FTI needs to be someone who's well versed with world cinema, well exposed to world cinema, and has some knowledge about it. So you're basically saying that Gajendra Chauhan doesn't have any of that. You're saying that specifically.
Well, I don't think so. Means from the kind of work, but I think FTI needs blood transfusion without a chairman. Let me also say that. FTI as an institution needs lots of other things apart from a chairman. Let's not make chairman as the main issue of this whole thing. FTI, for the last so many years, the students need better staff, better administration. I don't think many people also remember who were the earlier chairmen.
Right.
But yes, I feel that it's not that they need, I don't think they need to know about editing, or I don't think that Gajendra needs to know direction or something like that. But if you are happy as a journalist, I'm happy with him, but the point is you are certainly making it out to be as if I am objecting to it, and you are saying that yes, he should be made. That's the line of questioning you are taking. Today in some press conference I was asked that if he is right. I felt no, I think there is somebody who is better than him, where people like Shyam Benegal have been. Nobody had an objection. Gajendra as a person, I don't have any problem with him. I think he doing Yudhishthir or doing those films that he did, I think that's a job that you require to do. That's his personal choice. But to make him as the chairman, I think is a slightly but I also, having said that, I also feel that the students need to have a different approach towards this whole saga.
Okay.
I think they should continue their work by going on strike is a certain part of it.
It's been on for 2 weeks.
And I also see a lot of vested interests now becoming part of this movement. I heard somebody yesterday on television giving it a religious tint and things like that.
Right,
so I feel it's sad. It's like you are a news anchor, and if somebody who does not qualify to be the editor, you will certainly react to it. If your editor.
Mr. Kher, if I could then ask you, as a senior member of the film industry, and as a person who, has strong political views and a person who keeps in touch with, issues of this kind, what's the way out of this mess? You've been a member of this industry for such a long time. Most of the people who are now, involved in this entire fight that's going on between Pune, Mumbai and Delhi. What's the way out?
The way out of this mess is that not that the previous chairmen have done great work in the last 20 years. I think the institution has gone to in a very bad situation. I think people have stayed there. People have stayed there for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Nothing concrete, nothing big has come out of that. So I think the students need to also look into themselves. And I run an acting school, so I understand what students go through when you give them
That's the reason we asked,
which is not maybe, today's children are much more aware of cinema than my generation was. Means me from a small town did not even know what camera will look like. Today, with all internet and social media and everything, you basically know what cinema is all about.
Yeah.
The solution is that students should go back to work and let this process continue until the government comes to some kind of arrangement, till the government finds out how to go about it, till the government representatives actually make students understand that the chairman is not involved in the day-to-day work.
Yes.
And the chairman is not the teacher also there. Are they happy with the teaching system of the FTI students? Are they happy with the teachers? Are they happy with the job requirements that is required, that's done?
Right.
Are they happy with the visiting professors who come there? Chairman comes and sits there for 3 years and his job work finishes on that. So
Indeed.
It's a symbolic issue that Mr. Gajendra Chauhan unfortunately does not have a persona to which can fit as the chairman. But having said that, I also feel that going on strike where nothing is happening and making into an issue, I think they should work. They should create the kind of work that they require
Yes.
to create, and see what can happen, because his appointment is not affecting their day-to-day functioning.
Absolutely.
His appointment is not affecting their classes. The classes can go on, and in the meantime, I think the government can find out what they can do. I am not the government, and neither do I represent.
Well, certainly is an issue that hasn't found a resolution so far, and those protests promise to continue until there is a resolution. But what is really that resolution? We wish we had a solution. We wish you had one, and maybe more people should actually listen to people like you, Mr. Kher. But thank you so much for speaking to us here on Newsroom. The anger of students at FTII, you can bet, is actually only going to increase.